Hello, gorgeous. Welcome back to the channel. Yeah. I started working before I started the camera. Yeah, you're right. You're right. That is what happened. But those are the colors we're going to paint them. We're just going to have that one middle nail that's the deeper color. And then we're going to use that lighter, blushy sort of cream. And then we're coming in back with that same color that we painted the middle nail with. And we're going to start making some chevrons. Two of the nails are going to have chevrons. We're going to have this ring finger, and next to it, the pinky is going to be coming from the top down. So instead of a French, it's kind of a reverse French. I don't know what you would call that. You tell me what you think you would call that, and maybe we'll coin something together, okay? But we are going to start with a chevron. See how on the larger nail, oh, okay. So it's the ring finger is the top down chevron and the pinky nail is the French chevron. There you go. And we're going to do some layering of colors. Now we're going to come in with a more true orange color, but like a pastel. This whole set is super dreamy and very soft, just soft colors, soft feeling, even though a chevron can be, like a sharp, it looks sharp, right? And it can be a little more of a hard look. I thought maybe with just taking the colors into a softer place, it really tones it down, and I think it works. I absolutely love this set. It is so adorable. We're going to add a little wispy marble, not like a full nail marble, just a little bit here and a little bit there. And then a big chunky flower. And I think it all comes together just into a really dreamy, fantasy, melted sherbet sort of feeling. I really love it. It's one of those sets I'm like, I could wear this even with my shorter nails. If I made the flower a lot smaller, I think I could wear this. Totally a wearable set. So now that we've got our chevrons, and I did do a base coat on those just to smooth everything out. Now we're going to make our bloom and gel marbles. Sorry, brain did not want to say that word. And that all I'm doing is grabbing all three of the colors that we made in the chevrons up on that liner brush and dragging it through the blooming gel and letting the blooming gel do its job. And I did just drag a little bit through it just for some visual interest and some wispiness, and give it it's so light, it's almost not a tie-dye feel, but at the same time it kind of is, right? When you drag through like that, it gives moments of tie-dye. I'm not mad about it. I think that these came out so adorable. Now I'm going to go ahead and do top coat on all the four nails that we're done with, which are our chevrons. Here's the top down chevron. So like a reverse French, all I can think is reverse French, reverse. The word's reverse French. Let me know what you would call it down below. Just a chevron nail? Yeah, maybe. So now we're going to come in with our 3D, which everything we've used so far is by Beetles. But now we're switching over to Saviland. There is a coupon code below. It is a affiliate link. So if you use that, you do support the channel. So thank you for that. We're just going to take it. I rolled it into a little tube shape, and then I'm cutting it into 5 pieces that are somewhat equal. It's not perfect. My one regret with this set, which every set has a regret. Well, maybe not everyone, but some of them do. My one regret is that I wish I'd made the flower just the tiniest bit smaller. I think that would have worked just fine, but I didn't. And here we are. And I'm not mad at the flower. I think it's very nice. It's just a little chunkier maybe than I wanted. Okay. This is the comedy of the set because, you have to really make the gel stick on there, and it doesn't always, it falls off. So just, manhandle it maybe a little, or leave a sticky base down, like a base coat, or don't clean the sticky layer on the nail. But I did not want the gel to pick up any of the color that you would get from a sticky layer from a color gel, so I cleaned it. Maybe I should have just done a base coat. There you go. But also, that sticky layer can get flotsam and jetsam in it. And so there's good and bad reasons to do it. You have to choose for yourself. Try it. Try it. There you go. Just try some stuff. It's just nails. It's not open heart surgery, right? It doesn't matter if you make a mistake or if it's not perfect. Just try some stuff. Like this flower, is she perfect? No. No, she's not. Do I love her? Yes. Yes, I do. I love it. So we're just pressing it out and making the shape we want. That's the beauty of the 3D gel, is that I've not cured any of this yet. It's all just goes in and then cures at one time. Now I'm coming in with some mica powder. This is from my Dageda nail powder set. Guys, I've had this nail powder set for years. I've not even come close to using all the powder in it. And would I buy it again? 100%. I was actually thinking about looking to see if they have any, because I should buy another one just so I never run out. Right? Because it's good, guys. It's really good. So I don't know if you guys have noticed just how close we are getting. I'm just adding some dots there. They're really messy. And at first I thought, I should remove those. But then I remembered I had powder down, and removing them might not be smart. So now I'm taking some clear and just making this flower even chunkier. I've been seeing people make flowers where they put down a color and then they do clear on top. And I like it when I see other people do it, but honestly, I'm not 100% sure I like how it came out. Now, one thing I will say about this Saviland clear 3D gel, it's not super clear until you cure it. And then also, once you get some top coat on it, it clears out even more. So if you're using it and you're like, oh, this isn't going to work, it'll be fine. It really will. It'll be fine. But anyway, back to the subscriber count, you guys. Have you noticed? As of recording this voiceover, we're at 992. So, guys, if you're not, okay, here comes some more comedy, because do you think all those are going to stay? Look at that. They are not. We're going to take those 4 and cure them. And then we're going to make another layer. And do you think that the first layer stayed in there? No, I didn't put enough. So I just cut that part out because it was the same joke twice. Nobody wants the same joke twice. But anyway, I haven't checked the analytics in a moment to see what it is, viewers versus, like subscribers versus people who are not subscribed. But normally it's about 90%. So if you've been watching and you've been liking, go ahead and click subscribe. And guys, don't forget, you can share these videos anywhere that you share nail content. I really love to see when somebody shares my stuff. And, don't forget to leave me a comment and ring that bell and all the things that you do, because your support really matters to us, especially to a small channel like mine. And I do appreciate it. So as you recall, we'd already done the top coat for the other 4 nails. So this is our completed set. And I love it. I think it came out so freaking amazing. Very soft and simple for the end of springtime and coming into summer. But it's a color palette, like orange is a very, a certain shade of orange is very summery. So it's like having summer in mind without having it completely loud yet. Not fully loud, because summer looks are loud. But guys, thank you so much for watching. We are going to see you next week for another long form video. And don't forget, I've been posting more and more shorts all the time, so definitely click on those as well. And I'd love to see your work showcased on our community channel or tab on the main page, on my page. Go ahead and go and share your work with us so that we can all be inspired by you. Thanks for watching, guys. Mwah. Bye-bye.